David, I have an amazing idea. We are going to set a new world record.
Jay, I'm ready. Start looking up.
No, not a marshmallow challenge. We're going to set a record for the biggest, most awesome virtual cook-along the world has ever seen.
Yes, I was worried about my waist there for a second. So we're going to have to create a recipe, right?
Yes, chef.
I love it. I love it. We are going to fill this box with the yummiest of ingredients. Our friends at DHL Express are going to deliver this box to your door on the 24th of June. And we will then host the biggest virtual cook-along the world has ever seen.
It's going to be epic. I mean, imagine 3,000 of us. That's the goal, getting together virtually. You guys tune in from your kitchen and we tune in from our kitchen right here in the Discovery Vitality HealthyFood Studios, and it's going to be epic. We're doing it for an amazing cause. We're doing it all for Reach for a Dream, and we're going to help them realize so many amazing dreams.
Guys, I can't wait. I can't wait to be cooking with all of you. And remember one thing, it's all for a great, great cause.
So to find out more information, head on over to cookingfordreams.co.za and spread the word. Tell a friend. It's going to be epic. We're going to try and set a new Guinness World Record for the biggest virtual cook-along ever. Peace.